Hi everybody, I'm Jodi Perko and I'm going to be leading the workshop You Can Cook. We're going to be doing 3 different dishes, so a different dish every night, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5 o'clock. I'll be sharing the recipes with everybody by next week so you'll know what ingredients to get. And what I'm going to talk about now is some of the kitchen utensils and equipment that you'll need to have. It's very basic stuff. First, a pan. With or without a lid, it's fine. A basic pan, a basic skillet. This one happens to be Teflon, but if you don't have Teflon, that's fine too. A bowl and a spoon. Measuring cups if you have them. If you don't, that's okay too. We can make that work. And a cutting board and a good sharp knife. And that's really about all we're going to need. So I hope everybody can join me, and we will cook some delicious, healthy food coming up. You can cook.